So what is vegetable tan leather, and why is it important? If you go on a lot of sites today, shockingly to us, a lot of people will not really give you a lot of detail about what they make their leather products from. We think that's a mistake. We think how something is made, what it is made from, and the quality and time that goes into it is critical to the quality of the item that comes out. Vegetable tan leather is an old method that uses tree bark. The solids that come out of the vegetable tanning process in Pennsylvania, where we get our American tan leather from, farmers put directly on their fields. The water used can be put directly into the creek because it's clean. It's a natural process. You compare that to the chrome tan method, which uses chromium salts, hexavalent chromium. Its main attribute is speed and cost. So it's cheaper to make chromium tan leather than it is to make vegetable tan leather, and it's not as good. We exclusively at Happy Hollow Farm use vegetable tan leather that we get from Wickett and Craig, Pennsylvania, because it allows us to make better products that last longer, they're more durable, and are going to be a lot more attractive, and you're going to be happy with it.